So I removed 2 screws prior to this step. So in this segment, I think I take just as long to figure out which tool I need, because I'm half blind, than it takes me to do the actual work. I mean, these screws are small. So throughout this process, I was making little diagrams of all the pieces and parts I had to remove. You basically have to remove 10 screws, 2 plates, and 5 connectors. Something like that. But yeah, it was an experience. During this part I had to laugh. I kept having flashbacks of when we were kids playing Operation. Every time you hear the foghorn, I said a cuss word. Whoops. So I spent at least 5 minutes inspecting this battery because I'm wondering if that orange thing was a cover, if I need to remove it, but it's from China and it's a guessing game, but I left it on. So there's these 2 adhesive strips that you're supposed to just pull out from underneath this thing before you can remove the battery. Well, that didn't go as planned.
That was dumb.
So I found out there was a recall on the battery, which I never got notice of, and that's what made my phone explode, and that's how I knew I needed a new battery. So instead of paying $500 for a new iPhone, I got a toolkit and a battery for 20 bucks. And we'll see what the rest of the story looks like.
Please hang up and try again.
I'm not believing this. I friggin' successfully replaced a battery in an iPhone 6. Now that is a good day.